my god, this video is about to be a banger. Wait, what? TikTok's banned? They finally did it. TikTok is officially banned in the United States. But do not worry, you don't need TikTok. For the past couple of weeks, TikTok has been talked about on the news about it being banned or not. I'm not sure if this is a definite ban. I feel like it'll come back in the next couple of days. But for now, TikTok is officially banned. For me, I don't really care because for the past couple of months, I've been utilizing Instagram and YouTube for my own dropshipping stores. So in this video, I'm going to talk about why you don't need TikTok anymore, how to set up your entire Instagram page to convert, and the strategy that I've used in order to go viral on Instagram, mainly focusing on it more in the past 12 months. The reason why is because I've actually seen insane results compared to TikTok. The reason why I feel like I'm getting better results on Instagram is because Instagram is a lot more personalized to your customer. You have a literal profile where customers can DM you, can comment on your videos, can view your stories, can view your memories. All of these little things help to convert customers. Where I feel like as TikTok, it's not really user friendly based. It's more just scroll, 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 and that's it. Whereas Instagram has a lot more to it. You have the stories, you have the DMs, you have the comment section. There's a lot more to it. But not only that, but if a customer is interested in your product, they can simply DM you on Instagram, ask you any types of questions. The DM interface is a lot more user friendly. So if a customer has a question or wants to buy your product, they can easily just DM you. They can comment a keyword on your comment section, and then you can open up a DM with them with an automation system like ManyChat. You can simply go live on Instagram. Instagram Live is one of the best things you can do right now in order to make a lot of sales and build a brand with your audience. You can promote your offer. You can talk about how great your product is, why people should buy it, showcase your product. Do everything that you do on TikTok Shop when you go live. The same exact thing you can do on Instagram. And in my opinion, it's a lot better. So now I want to show you how you can set up for conversions when it comes to Instagram. TikTok is a lot different compared to Instagram, but still similar when it comes to having the same bio, different types of call to actions. But I feel like it's easier to do call to actions on Instagram because of the entire profile interface, the DMs, and everything that's involved with Instagram. So I'm going to show you exactly how I set up my dropshipping stores on Instagram. So let me just go on my phone here and I'm going to show you exactly that. Alrighty, so I want to show you a page that is performing really good and they've done everything right when it comes to doing Instagram organic dropshipping. So as you can see here with this page, they always start off with a nice clean logo. So just a clean logo to showcase, your brand. Then they talk about the product, automotive inspired timepieces, right? Just, a nice description about their product. Then they give an incentive, right? Free worldwide shipping, 2-year warranty. So in my opinion, you don't need both of those in there, but you can just have one of them. I usually just like to do free worldwide shipping and then a call to action right under that to shop here, right? Then they have the link to their product. And I really like how they have the name of the brand slash Instagram. So then you can actually see where the traffic's coming from, how much sales you're making from Instagram. So I would definitely suggest that as well. But then when you go to the stories here, the memories, you can see that they have every single type of product that they're selling. And when you click it, right, you'll be able to see the product more in depth, right? Then we go to the next one and it just basically showcases the product. Some of them are product reviews, some of them are in-depth photos. So that's something you want to do as well. Make sure you utilize these memories because people look at that. What I like to do personally is I like to put all my reviews in the memories and a way for customers to contact me as well. Then let's go to their actual reels, right? You can see they're performing really, really good. So this page is also on TikTok as well as Instagram, but they're performing really good on Instagram as you can see, and they're constantly posting because obviously they're getting good results. So they're going to continue to post. And you can see the type of content that they're posting. It's the same thing as TikTok, just on Instagram. Literally the same thing. But in my opinion, it converts better. You can see even the comments are pretty good, right? And then you can see their captions are very good as well. They give a call to action, they talk about the product, and then they give a link to purchase as well as hashtags. Almost every time they post, they're giving out a call to action for whatever they're trying to sell, right? If it's affiliate, if they're trying to get people to their website, they say our early Black Friday sale started. Head over to our site to take advantage of our lowest prices ever. Link in bio. Okay, so whenever you're posting, always comment a call to action, as well as when you post your reel on your story and then give a call to action. Give the link with an incentive for people to purchase the product. So these guys have done a great job. It looks really good what they're doing. And that's why they're getting these types of views, right? You can see 35K, 65K, 100K, 80K, right? They're making very, very good videos of their products. So you can see here. So look at pages like this as a reference to the type of content that you should be posting as well. All right. So You can see this page is performing really good. And that's what you want to do is you want to look at pages on Instagram that are performing good, just like you do with TikTok, the same exact thing. You can see as well, they have the follow button, they have the message button, so you can easily message them. They have the shop button, so you can click shop, and you can actually shop on Instagram. So I would definitely suggest setting this all up so you can utilize Instagram to the maximum. Next, you got to understand you have to give an offer customers can't refuse. Instead of just saying buy one and that's it, give a reason why they should buy the product. A buy one, get one free. Maybe buy two, get one free, right? Some type of incentive for customers to buy your product because there's so many people that are drop shipping. So you want to have the best offer possible. One of my favorite things that I've been doing recently is utilizing something called ManyChat. ManyChat is basically an automation software where if someone comments a keyword, then ManyChat will send them an Instagram DM being like, "Hey, are you interested in, our watch, for example?" Then the customer says yes, and then it sends them a link with an incentive to purchase the product. This is the best thing you can do right now on Instagram. You can't do this on TikTok. So utilize this on Instagram. It will increase your conversions and help your brand a lot. So I would definitely suggest doing this. That's a little tip for you. So when it actually comes to posting videos on Instagram, this is my strategy. It's the same thing as I use on TikTok. Post 3 videos every single day for the next 3 to 4 days. If after 3 to 4 days you have no banger videos, what I mean by that is at least 50 to 100K on a single video, open a new page on Instagram and then do the same thing once again. All your videos should be brand new, completely different videos, original videos. Do not use other people's videos. Make your own videos. Buy the product, make the videos, edit them, and then post them literally on Instagram. Now, a word of advice. Whenever you're doing this, repost your videos as well. Repost to YouTube, repost to Pinterest. Make sure you're doing this. This will help increase your conversions a lot and give you opportunity to go viral faster. Let's say after 3 to 4 days, you have no viral videos, open a new Instagram page, a new YouTube page, a new Pinterest page, and start over again. Do the same thing for 3 days. If no viral videos, just change the product to something else. So now that you understand my strategy, there's a couple things I want to go over for you to get the best result possible when it comes to posting onto Instagram. Your aesthetic is super important. Make sure you have a very nice aesthetic. Make sure you have a good area to film at, white background, some greenery, right? Maybe a marble countertop, right? Make sure videos are good quality. If you're recording on your phone, make sure it's in the best settings it can possibly be. If you can record on a camera, then when it comes to editing your videos, make sure your videos are very quick and upbeat. 2 seconds, 2 seconds, 2 seconds, 2 seconds, 2 seconds make up a 10-second video. Fast, 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 right? Make sure it's going fast and upbeat. That's the best way to do it for the best result on Instagram. And lastly, you have to understand you need to repost your videos. This will help increase the chances of your videos going viral a lot. Imagine you're posting 3 videos every single day on Instagram, but then if you repost onto YouTube and Pinterest, the chances of you going viral are a lot better. So now that you understand how to post on Instagram, how to go viral on Instagram, and what I've done in order to get viral on Instagram, it's your time now. TikTok is banned for now. It's not there right now, but you can't just wait and let sales go right past you. You need to start something new. You need to take action on a different alternative. Hopefully you did enjoy that and you got a lot of value out of this video. It's been Econ Patrick, and I'll see you in the next video.